Alright, so this is what we got, man. I took this thing home, cleaned it up, talked with my dad a little bit. He's not much of a Glock guy, but he says limp wristing is completely out of the question. I don't know, I'll leave that up to the audience. I know I've experienced it myself, or at least I have the inclination that I have. But I've got 23 rounds here, some jacketed hollow points, I don't know, Federal, Winchester, or something like that. Let me go ahead and try them out. Wind. That's the worst. All right. How about this direction? Oh, that wasn't good. Let me try this out again. Fired the slide lock just now, and when I inserted the new magazine, slide came forward. That might be my trigger finger over here. Let me try this out. Now, I'll have to determine that. Yeah, that's different. I don't know that I've ever experienced that. All right, let's try this sucker out. You know, I'm not shooting at any great distance, but the sights seem to be on. And slide lock again. All right, let me try this out on an empty magazine. So it's got to be the round that's doing that. Very strange. I'll have to try this out at home with maybe some dummy rounds or something. But as you can tell, 26 rounds through it, no malfunctions at all. I really like these Glocks, man. I tell you what, love them.